Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Hi, Izan. Hi, Abdul.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning, Humaira.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am.
morning.
Up.
Yes?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Humaira. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am.
Okay, how are you, Abdul? How are you, Izan?
I'm fine, ma'am.
How are you, Nora? Are we all ready for the class? Yes. So yesterday, Humaira, you were not there yesterday, right? Number 7, and today I'm going to do number 8 with you all. Okay? Okay, not a problem. So we will do number 7 also and number 8 also. Okay? Perfect? Okay? All right, Nora, turn on the camera. Abdul, take out your notebook, beta. Everyone take out your maths notebook. Come on, quickly. Hi, Khadija. Good morning. Khadija. Everyone quickly take out your maths notebook.
We'll write, see,
Maths
5 we
notebook,
finish.
everyone. Maths.
See.
Hi, Khadija. Good morning.
N E T W O
Notebook.
R E. एक मिनट रुको छोड़ो S O.
Come here fast.
So what's the date? Today is 16 this
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Write down number 7 and then we will write number 8. Number 8.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Okay, Nora ready? Khadija ready? Abdul? If you are ready, show me thumbs up. Humaira, Izan, ready beta? Humaira? All right. So first we will write number 7 and then we will write number 8. So you are going to write number 7 for 7 times and number 8 for 8 times. Okay, and then show it to me. And when you are writing, write it like this, like SEVEN 7. One time done. Then next SEVEN 7. Like this you have to write. Okay. Nora, are you writing? You have to write number 7 and number 8. Both. Izan? Why you're not writing? Write down the numbers. Abdul? Seven, 8, lay them straight. And then 8 is E-I-G-H-T. 8. Seven and 8. Izan, write down quickly. Done, Khadija? Nora, where are you? Okay. Abdul and Nora, where are you? Yes, very good. Well done, Nora. Yes, Izan? Are you done? Izan done?
What are you saying, Izan?
मेरे
on,
को
write now
नहीं
quickly.
दिखाई दे रहा.
आपको नहीं
What
दिखाई
is it?
दे रहा है? आपको ये नंबर
अच्छा.
7 और नंबर 8 नहीं दिख रहा है? Can you see now? Is it visible to you, Izan?
7 is spelling. Come on.
मैं
Come on.
नहीं.
Quickly.
Okay, Khadija.
E-V-E-7.
Izan, now it is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Wait, Khadija. I will check.
Izan, learn in right, beta.
And then number 8. Oh, lovely, Khadija. Very good. Well done. Well done. Amazing. Humaira done. Welcome. Humaira, little close to the camera, beta. Yes. Oh, perfect. Well done.
Well done.
Abdul. Hi, Khadija Sheikh.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. She's just gone to. I think she misplaced her book somewhere. She's gone to find
Okay,
it.
okay. All right, all right.
Yeah.
Wait, someone is there at door. I am back. Yes. Done? Is that done? Khadija, you got your notebook?
Ma'am, not done.
Not done? Okay, take your time.
I am doing.
Okay. Students who have completed, now you write the next question. No need to write the question. Yes. Complete this. What will come after 1? Then what is the next number? Then 4 is written. Then what comes after 4? Like that. Nora, done beta? Done with the spelling? Isn't done?
Complete.
Complete. Very good. Show me. Lovely. Great. Now do the next question.
Next question is on fill in the blank.
Fill in the blanks.
missing list. Come on.
Abdul done? Perfect. Very good. Khadija Sheikh done beta? Complete it quickly. Parents help them writing the question.
Ma'am,
Yes, Nora.
writing one shall put two.
What beta?
One है ना?
Show me your notebook. Let me see your notebook. Oh, you are writing the question as well. Huh? Perfect. You have done it nicely. Yes, Sumera.
Yeah.
1,
Show it.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what comes after 7? That also you have to write. Very good. Let me see, Khadija. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
Khadija.
you, ma'am.
Sorry.
Thank you, ma'am.
Show.
Yes,
Very, very thank you.
Humaira, see? Can you see the last blank here below 1? Yes, you have to write the number 8 as well. Very good. Well done.
I'm done, ma'am. See my ma'am.
Good job. Very good, Azan. Abdul and Khadija Sheikh. Are you all done?
Thank you. Very,
Well,
very thank you.
very, very thank you. Abdul, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Everyone is doing by yourself, right? Yes, perfect. Oh, lovely, Nora. Very good. I'm super proud of you all. Clap for yourself. Clap, 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 clap. Now quickly show me your 8 fingers. 8 fingers. Yes. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fingers. Very good. Now you have to go and bring 8 objects and count and show it to teacher. Everyone go quick. Bring 8 objects. Go, go, go. Izan, go and bring 8 objects. Okay, Khadija, are you ready? All right. But you have to count, beta. Abdul, we will do one by one. Okay, I will come to you. Wait, beta, wait. Yes, Khadija, let's start with you.
Wait, we have to
Count. You have to
काउंट करो तुम स्टूडेंट टेक्स्ट को काउंट करो
3, 3,
या कैमरा में दिखता क्या मालूम है ना
5,
हाँ
6, 7,
वन मोर
8.
Very good. High five. Toying. Good job. Okay, who will go next? Abdul. Abdul, show me your 8 objects. Count and show.
1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Slow. Go slow. 6, yes.
7, 8.
8. Okay, perfect. High five, Abdul. Toying. Okay, Humaira, next. Show. Count.
1, 2,
Yes.
3,
4.
4,
Okay.
5, 6,
Yes.
7,
And
8.
8. Perfect. High five. Toing. Humaira, high five. Okay, Zan. Show me the 8 objects quickly.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't open, no.
1,
Yes.
2,
Okay.
2,
Okay.
4,
Okay.
6,
Five.
After 4?
After
4,
hmm? 5.
5,
Hmm.
6,
Hmm.
7,
Yes.
8,
Very good. Good job, Twine. Yes, Nora. Show me all the objects.
1,
Hmm. Then
2,
okay.
nails.
Nails. Fake nails. Okay.
And 3,
Huh? Quick, quick.
4,
Okay.
and 5,
This is a baby favicol. Okay.
and 6,
Okay.
7,
Huh? Last one.
and 8.
And 8. Perfect. High five. Good job. All right, Khadija Sheikh, now it's your turn. Count.
Yes, 1, 2,
Yes.
3,
Hmm.
4,
Yes.
5,
Ah.
6, 7,
Yes.
and 8.
Perfect. Very good. High five. Oh my God. Amazing, everyone. You all deserve this. Take it. Take it all. Okay. Now, next question. We are going to put a crocodile face towards the bigger number, which we have done yesterday. Okay, Humaira, what we have to do is, I'll just show you. So if I write number 4 and number 8, which one is big? Which number is big?
8.
Yes. So we will put the crocodile mouth towards 8 because the crocodile is very hungry. So he is going to eat the bigger number. Okay. So we will put the crocodile face towards the bigger number. Now next is number 5, number 3, number 3. Yes,
Number is big.
5,
correct.
Third.
7,
No. 3 and 1.
Okay, do it quickly.
1 is 1.
5 big. 4,
5 is big,
Yes, ma'am.
correct. Number 5 is big. You have to put the crocodile mouth towards the big number.
Oh, 8 is the 8.
Izan, are you doing? Yes. Okay. Humaira, you understood?
Yes. Yes.
Yes? Okay. Yes, Sumera. Okay, wait. Let me check. Number 8, number 5, number 3, 7, 8. Perfect. Good. Done, Khadija, done. Okay, Mama, I will show. You don't touch my notebook. Yes. So, little down, little down. Yes, perfect. Oh my God, lovely, lovely. Yes, Izan. Perfect. My kids are growing fast. Yes, Abdul. Khadija, Sheikh. Show me your
Thank
notebook.
you.
Well done, Abdul. Perfect. Nora, are you done? Nora. Nora, where are you? I can't see you. So the crocodile.
Mom,
Yes, beta. Towards the big number. Done? Khadija, Sheikh, done?
ma'am, I don't know done.
You're not done? Do it quickly. Have you written the
No.
question? Done writing the question? Yes.
Yes.
Do it. Quick, quick, quick.
I don't know is 1 or 3.
1 and 3. So which number is big? Number 1 has only 1 stick. And number 3 has 1, 2, and 3 sticks. So number 3
And
will be
8 has 1, 2,
one.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes.
3 have only 1, 2, 3.
All right. Okay, let's sing. Nora, done? Done. Perfect. All right, let's sing Jingle Bell song, everybody. Dashing through the snow on a one-horse open sleigh. Over the hills we go, laughing all the way. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Class. I'm going to teach you this song on Monday. Okay? Nice, Nora. It's lovely. Beautiful. All right, Khadija. Done? Show me your notebook quickly. जल्दी बेटा आप डांस करने के लिए खड़े हुए हो. Class is over. We'll do it on Monday. Thank you. Bye bye. See you everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.